Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to send crypto from crypto.com to MetaMask wallet. So for that, first of all you need to do is launch your crypto.com mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account. And now on the homepage, you will be able to see a bunch of different options like buy, sell, deposit, and pay. But over here, you need to tap on the accounts tab in the bottom. Then you need to tap on crypto wallet. Then afterwards, you will be able to see the transfer tab in the top. So you need to tap on transfer. And then you need to select the option of withdraw. Now after that, you will be given bunch of different options that you can use to withdraw your cryptos from crypto.com, such as you can withdraw to any other crypto.com user or to external wallets. So as we want to send our crypto to MetaMask wallet, we will have to select the last option, which is the external wallet. Now after that, you will be given two options. First is wallet address, and the second one is blockchain domain. So if you have the address of that particular crypto that you have selected on MetaMask wallet, then you will have to select the option of add wallet address. Then again, it will ask you to select the cryptocurrencies. So over here, you will be able to see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. So in this list, you will have to select the particular cryptocurrency which you want to send. So let's say, for example, I want to send USDT. So I'll simply type USDT in the section, and here I will simply select USDT over here. Then you will be able to see a bunch of different networks like ERC20, Chrono, Solana, and bunch of others. So you just have to select the network. For this video, I'm going to be selecting the ERC20. Then you will have to provide ERC20 address from MetaMask relating to the crypto that you have to selected, which in my case, it is Ethereum. So in order to get it, you will have to launch your MetaMask mobile application. And after that, in the top, you will have to select the Ethereum that you see in here. And then main network, then you need to tap on the Ethereum, and after that you just have to scroll down and then tap on receive now. Now once you tap on receive, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to copy from here, then you need to come back to crypto.com and paste the address in the section. Then it will ask you to provide a wallet name. So the wallet name is MetaMask wallet. So you need to type the name here. Then you need to press continue in the bottom. And on the next page, you just have to confirm your withdrawal, and you simply need to tap on the send or transfer option. This way you will be able to send your crypto from crypto.com to MetaMask wallet. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!